Hello everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my usual makeup routine when I wear sarees, and this is also my usual makeup routine on a daily basis. So this is my get ready with me on Valentine's Day. So first I'm applying PUR Hydrating Primer. This is one of my very favorite face primers, and I'm going to apply this all over my face, mainly concentrating on my T-zone. Then I'm applying Estee Lauder double wear foundation. I'm in the shade Cashew, and this is the last leg of foundation that I have. After this I threw away the bottle, fully finished it, and that's why I dumped a eyeshadow brush and pulled out the last drop of foundation out, and I'm just applying this all over my face and blending it with a wet beauty blender. We were heading out to a potluck at my friend's place, so that's why we were all getting ready, and my husband and daughter were also in the basement, just hanging out with me, and that's why you can see talking to them throughout this video. In fact, in the middle of the video my husband came into the frame, and you can hear what he says when I ask him to come in the video. So do not forget to blend some foundation on the neck area as well, just to make it look even and not patchy that you just applied foundation only on your face. And then I'm going to apply Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. I'm in the shade Natural Sand. I'm applying this all around the eyes, on the corners of my nose, and also on the sides of my mouth wherever I have pigmentation. And I'm going to blend it with my wet beauty blender or damp beauty blender. I'm trying to use up this concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm going to apply this only in the hollows of my eyes, under my eyes, and this is going to just brighten that area. I'm going to blend it, and this was my favorite concealer for many years, but right now the amount of hydration is not really enough for my under eyes, so I only use this to highlight. Using the Wet n Wild Highlight and Contour palette, and I think this is in the shade Toffee Caramel, I guess, and I'm going to apply the yellow powder under my eyes to set the concealer. I'm going to apply a little bit more than usual, so later I can dust it off with my normal setting powder, and that's what I'm using. It's my Lakme White Intense Wet and Dry Compact Powder in the shade Beige Honey. It's my favorite. I'm going to pat that all over my face. And while I'm doing that, I realized that I have some patch on my jawline. I don't know, I'll have to figure out how to take that away, but I'm just applying that powder all over my face, around my eyes as well, to dust off any excess banana powder that's left out. Then I'm going to take the contouring side, and I'm going to use this to only bronze my face. I'm not really into contouring, so I just apply this on the temples of my face, hollows of my cheekbones and jawline to just warm up my face. My blush is Buxom Primer Infused Blush in the shade Goa. It's a little pop of neutral pink color, and I'm wearing a pink saree today, and that's why I wanted to add like a muted pink on my face. And my highlighter is my favorite. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega highlighter, and yeah, you can see how much I love because I made a dent in it. So I'm going to apply this on the tops of my cheekbone and bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and chin, and I'm also going to apply this on top of my eyebrows. going to fill in my eyebrows with Maybelline eyebrow pencil, and I got this from India. It works very well and I really like the color. It's a taupey gray color. It works beautifully for my hair color. So I'm gonna take my time while I play with my daughter and do my eyebrows, so I'm gonna speed this up. Before we move on to eye makeup, let's hear what my husband says about being in the video. This is the answer I've been getting for the last 10 years. ఏంటి అబ్బో చేయి చూపించడానికి ఓకేనా నేను పెడతా మళ్ళీ నన్ను సూ చేసామంటే నాకు సంబంధం లేదు వేస్తున్నావు యూ వాంట్ టు బీ ఇన్ మై వీడియో కన్నా వై నాట్ that's what they're gonna hear. Yeah? Sky so hi Mayuka? Why? Because Nana said so? Alright, back to our business. So I'm using the PUR Visionary Palette. This is my favorite eyeshadow formula. I've been obsessed with it. The mask, the shimmers, everything. The formula is just perfect. I really like this palette, the color story of this palette. And my daughter actually played with it and messed it up. So I'm trying to use this palette up. So I'm just using very soft colors like mauves, light pink, and light purple. So I'm just gonna stay in that zone. I'm not really going to use any browns or neutrals for this eye look. If you want to know more about this brand PUR, I made a very detailed video, so you might want to check that out if you're interested. And I'm really surprised and like the products from this brand. Then I'm going to apply kohl pencil. This is the Essence Kohl Kajal. This is my favorite, and I'm going to use this to tightline my eyes, and also going to apply this like eyeliner on the tops of my eyelid. And I'm later going to smudge and set it with a dark eyeshadow, and I'm also going to smudge some eyeshadow on the bottom lash line. I'm going to finish my eye makeup with some mascara, and this is a Saree Cosmetics mascara. I'm going to do a couple of coats of this on my upper and lower lashes. Initially didn't like this mascara, but then after a few uses the formula got thicker and it is working like a dream. I just love it. Finally, I'm going to finish off this look with lipstick, and this is the NYX Super Clicky pencil in the shade Obvious. And this is a beautiful formula. It's long wearing, it's a very comfortable matte lipstick, and I really like the shape of the bullet, which makes it easy to line and fill in the lips. So this is my current favorite. I have quite a few in this line. And voila, that's the finished look. As usual, I'll put all the names of the products and links in the description box below for you to check out. So let's see what saree I wore. If you are following me on my Instagram, you already saw these pictures, but this is a age-old saree. It's at least 14 or 15 years old, and it's a pink to black ombre saree, and it has sequin detailing on it. Sequin is in trend right now. I paired it with a black sequin crop top. I got this stitch when I went to India last time, and it works with a lot of my sarees and also lehengas, and that's why since it's a versatile piece, I wanted to add to my collection. And for my jewelry, I kept it simple, but I matched it with the saree. So these earrings and bangles are from Armory Jewelry on Instagram, and the necklace is a random buy a long time back from eBay. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button, and also do subscribe to my channel. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.